Imagine you're given this equation, x squared plus y squared equals 2009. There are two variables, but only one equation. So it looks like a tedious game of trial and error. But here's the interesting part. If we look for integer solutions, there's actually a neat Olympiad trick that makes this problem much easier. The key is to look carefully at the number 2009. Instead of treating it as a random number, try factoring it. It turns out that 2009 is equal to 49 times 41. We know 49 is 7 squared. Now that it appears, it suggests a useful substitution. Let's assume both variables contain a factor of 7. So let's say we write x equals 7m and y equals 7n. Substituting this into the original equation gives 7m all squared plus 7n all squared. Expanding the squares on the right side of the equation gives us 49m squared plus 49n squared. Now factor out 49 on the left side. We get 49 times the binomial m squared plus n squared. Now the value 49 cancels nicely, leaving us with a much simpler equation, m squared plus n squared equals 41. And this is the beautiful part. Now, we just need to express 41 as a sum of two perfect squares. Notice that 41 is equal to 25 plus 16. And then 25 is 5 squared, while 16 is 4 squared. Upon comparing both sides of the equation, we can take m equals 5 and n equals 4. Finally, we go back to our substitution. Since x is equal to 7m, the value of x is 7 times 5, which is equal to 35. Also, y is equal to 7n, so the value of y is 7 times 4, which is equal to 28. So, one integer solution to the equation is x equals 35 and y equals 28. And if you check it quickly, 35 squared plus 28 squared should be equal to 2009. 35 squared is 1,225, while 28 squared is 784. 1,225 plus 784 is indeed equal to 2009. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next video.